In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly access and navigate through your barber's booking platform using Booksy. This guide will walk you through each step from selecting a service to attending the appointment, ensuring that you make the most of your barbering experience without any stress. First, go ahead and open up your favorite browser on your computer, tablet, or phone, whatever's most convenient for you. You'll want to head over to your barber's Booksy page. You can usually find this by visiting a link that looks something like booksy.com, followed by the unique identifier for your barber shop. This unique code enables you to access the specific page dedicated to your barber, ensuring you're in the right place from the start. Once on the page, take a moment to browse through the list of services your barbershop offers. It's always good to familiarize yourself with any new options they might have introduced since your last visit. When you find the service that you need, look for the book button located next to that service. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Now, if you have a favorite barber whose magic touch you prefer, this is the time to select them. There should be a drop-down menu available where you can select your preferred barber. If you're feeling adventurous or your regular barber is unavailable, you can also leave this option as anyone, which will connect you with the first available barber. Next up is selecting when you'd like to come in. Use the handy calendar tool to choose a date and the time slot that fits best with your schedule. The available slots will be clearly displayed, allowing you to see exactly when you can book your appointment without any hassle. If you haven't logged into your account yet, you'll be prompted to do so at this stage. Don't worry if you don't have an account already. Creating one is straightforward. You can sign up using your email, or if you prefer a quicker option, you can use your existing Facebook or Google account credentials. This allows you to manage your bookings effortlessly and track appointments conveniently in the future. Once your login details are set, you'll want to review all your input, the service, the barber, the date, and the time. Make sure everything is just as you'd like it. Then go ahead and click on confirm to finalize your booking. You should receive a confirmation email or SMS shortly afterward, letting you know your appointment is secured. Finally, with your appointment booked, all that's left is to show up at the barber shop at your scheduled time. It's a good idea to arrive a bit early just in case, and to make it even better, you'll receive a notification when your barber is ready for you, so you can sit back and relax until it's your turn. And there you have it, just a few simple steps, and you're all set for your next trip to the barber shop. Thanks for tuning in, and happy grooming!